Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. And on the 10th day of Muharram, I am making the delicious Doodh Dulhan Lauki Kheer. Yes, super delicious this kheer is. It's a must try. तो इसको बनाने के लिए मैंने लौकी लिया है अराउंड 200 एंड पाव किलो लिया, 250 ग्राम्स I've taken. अब इसका मैं पूरा पानी निचोड़ के निकाल लूँगी और फिर हम वज़न करेंगे इसका क्या वज़न है. हमें थोड़ा भी पानी नहीं चाहिए, बस इसे निचोड़ लेंगे. और अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग सुपर. ये ज़बरदस्त रेसिपी देखने के लिए मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहिए. दूध में ले रही हूँ आधा लीटर, हाफ लीटर मिल्क आई एम टेकिंग. काइंडली मेक अ नोट ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड 1/4 कप शुगर. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड साबुदाना इन दिस. मैं उसे भिगाना भूल गई थी. आई एम माइक्रोवेविंग द साबुदाना विच इज सागो. I have taken that 1/4 cup, and we need in this 75 grams lauki or bottle gourd after squeezing out the water. This is bottle gourd. Okay. So after squeezing out the water, I needed 75 grams. So let's see how much I get. And I've taken mawa, which is homemade, and I've taken some dry fruits here, all grated. This is cashew nuts, and this is slice of almond and pista. I'm going to fry them in ghee now. And what I will be using to garnish it, to make it look like a bride, that also I will tell you. उसको दुल्हन बनाने के लिए मैं क्या क्या गार्निश यूज करने वाली हूँ, I will tell you in a while. Alright friends, here I have roasted the cashew nuts, almonds, pista and some coconut. I've roasted this and I'm going to keep this aside. How much? See, after squeezing, this is how it becomes. This is how it becomes. So we need in exactly 100 grams. So between 75 to 100 grams, you can definitely take grated bottle gourd or lauki. I'm going to toast this in the ghee right now. Their milk is boiling. And here we will first saute our grated bottle gourd ya lauki. So I need to add little ghee. So I'm adding little ghee here and we will saute this. It's already a boiled milk, but I just want to give it a boil there. Ensure that slow down the gas. Ensure that your milk is not getting caught at the bottom. Once your grated lauki is sorted, okay, we will add it to the milk. And I forgot to soak the sago. So for this recipe, ensure that you soak the sago overnight. I have microwaved it, so I'm going to add this also to the milk. I've taken 1/4 cup sago. It seems to have sorted well. I'll switch off the gas there and I'll pull this forward because you see the milk is all creamy. Okay. We don't want it to burn from down. चलो बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं. Let's add our sorted lauki here. Don't mind that black thing. I had fried my dry fruits in this only. Okay, friends. So this is the 1/4 cup mawa, and I never directly add this to the kheer. I'm going to add some of the milk here. I'll put some of the mawa. I will see how the milk tolerates the mawa. If the milk stays fine, then I will add the whole mawa to it. If the milk curdles, then I will not add the mawa. Never add your mawa when you're bringing from outside or making at the house directly to the milk without testing it. Is my tip. So I'm adding
We'll mix this well and keep it aside. Meanwhile, stir the milk for 2 to 3 minutes.
I have added enough mawa in this. Everything goes well, I will add the whole mawa to the milk. Now to this milk, okay, it's going to thicken up very nicely. I'm going to add the sago, which I have
Cooked in microwave in half cup water.
This I'm adding. Alright. And to this I'm going to add the sugar, 1/4 cup. And we'll require around 2 to 3 tablespoon milk made. That I will add in the end after I've added the mawa. And we'll also add the dry fruits here. These are the ones which I have not fried. This whole thing I'm adding.
You can add dry fruits as per your requirement.
Now itself the aroma is so fantastic. Time to add the mawa because everything looks good. Delicious 1/4 cup homemade mawa. I'm adding this. Right. Add it. You can see here, even the mawa has melted very well in the milk. Okay, now I will just taste it for sweetness. And oh, one important thing, I'll add right now the elaichi powder, which is half teaspoon. Okay, and I'll taste it for sweetness. If the sweetness is perfect, then I will just let go the milk maid. It's too delicious. It's too delicious right now. I require in this is 1/4 cup milk maid that I'm adding. Oof, this is like heaven. So we have to cook this till we know it becomes thick. Then we'll pour it in a glass bowl We'll cool it under the fan and then we'll keep it in the fridge to chill. Once it has chilled, we will decorate our kheer. This is becoming awesomely thick. Just look at that. Look at this. But at this stage, friends, I'm switching off the gas and I will meet you in an hour or two till it gets completely cooled down. Giving it a very good mix before I pour it into this glass bowl. To this we are going to add a very green color. I want this to be nice pastel green. Give one more drop. I think now this should give it a perfect color. Awesome. That's a nice humble green color. You can see here. I'll gently pour it into that bowl now. So this I'm going to keep it in the fridge now to cool. Once it cools down completely, okay friends, we will go ahead and decorate this to a bride. I'll see you in some time. All the decorations that we are going to use to make our kheer look like a dulhan. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं decoration. It has become nice and thick and it has got nice pastel green English color. तो चलो decoration शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले मैं ये ड्राई फ्रूट्स डाल दूंगी यहाँ पे, which I have dry roasted in the heat. मेरे पास चांदी का या सोने का वर्क नहीं है, तो रैंडमली हम डाल देंगे इसे. मून करके ये मजे के गुलाब जामुन डाल देंगे. डेकोरेट नहीं करेंगे तो इसका मज़ा नहीं आएगा. बड़ी शानदार लगने वाली है ये. इसे तो ज़रूर आप बनाना. ये मैंने जेलीज कोई भी घर में नहीं बनाई है, ये मेरे पास हमेशा होती है. तो आप घर में बनाना चाहते हैं तो फर्स्ट क्लास. तो आपकी तो और भी ज़बरदस्त दिखेगी खीर. और ये कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर अगेंस्ट पेस्टल ग्रीन बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. दूध दुल्हन लौकी खीर, कैसी लग रही है दोस्तों ज़रूर कमेंट करके बताना। मैं आपके सामने से टेस्ट कर लेती हूँ। मीठा मुझे ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं है, बट ये खीर तो टेस्ट करना बनता ही है। टेस्ट कर लेती हूँ इसे यहाँ से। आहा हा फ्रेंड्स, बेहतरीन लाजवाब, शुगर की भी जोड़ परफेक्ट है इसके अंदर। ये बनाना तो बनता ही है।
So if you have liked my recipe, then please give a like, share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you soon with another recipe. Till then, you take very good care of yourself. Be at home if possible. Be safe. Bye bye.